never gonna stop. Listen real close, man, all you hear is gossip. All you hear is gossip. Man, all I hear is gossip. Let's go. Talking gossip. Yo, I heard that Trevor couldn't fit into a Magnum. Got Becky pregnant cause it broke during action. Dropping out now was a football captain. Working at Subway, what the fuck happened? Annie and a push-up bra looking fantastic. Heard they're both fake, man, chest full of plastic. Always seeing trouble for a lack of wearing fabric. Got the boys staring at a schoolgirl caption. Stacy's like a tutor cause she loves giving brain. Timmy's had the hung with his third leg bang. Joe's an alcoholic addicted to Bombay. Wait, Kelly gave Dave an STD in 9th grade. Katie likes to dance and they say her ass will not quit. Once you get her going, man, I heard that she can't stop it. Ricky hit it from the back, said he kinda popped quick. This is all the shit I hear, man, call it gossip. That's right, call it gossip. I hear these people fucking talking, man, all I hear is gossip. Damn, this shit is fucking gossip. Yeah, let's go, let's go, let's go. Gossip. Jason's falling down after drinking several Mickeys. Kevin's got a whole neck full of Jenny's hickeys. What's in all her hair and why is it so sticky? Wait, they all hooked up, David, Tess, and Nikki. Make a small town girl, welcome to the big city. She a nice country girl and she looking real pretty. Get her to the bedroom to get busy. Yeah, little did you know, damn, this girl's filthy. Yeah, we're getting hella fucked up, talking about who knows what. Talking shit and getting lit while filling up my red cup. Jackie's got a nice butt, heard she likes to try stuff. Telling lies to pass the time, we're never gonna shut up. Eddie's still a virgin even though he says he lost it. David says he wants a threesome with 2 hot chicks. Kelly says she's down, if he wants it then he got it. This is all the shit I hear, man, call it gossip. Man, I hear it gossip. Okay, yeah, all you hear is gossip. Yeah, gossip. Yeah, let's go, let's go. Yo, Randy in the basement, hooking up with Jason. Always has another guy